Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the VAC error code, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you guys can do is go ahead and make your way over to Steam. From Steam, go ahead and look for the game that is causing you this issue, right click on it, hit properties, and then go over to installed files, and then go ahead and choose verify this game's files are installed correctly and hit verify integrity of game files. Now after you do that, what you can do is go ahead and make your way over to Steam and then go ahead and choose Steam settings. From settings, you can go ahead and make your way down over to downloads, and then from here you can go ahead and choose clear cache for clear download cache. Now once you do that, you can go ahead and X out, go over to Steam again, hit exit, and this kind of like restarts Steam. So once Steam is back open, you can go ahead and right click on the game that is causing you issues. You can go ahead and uninstall it, and then you can go ahead and reinstall it. Now all of these methods should work, and you guys should be good to go once doing them. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.